Oh! Check out the whistle.
I don't sabi whistle.
That na the movie. The good, the bad, the ugly. You see how they dress?
I say the name of the film, that be Tanzania.
Tarzan. For this movie, na me be the good. Na him be the bad. Then I see you don't have one color. The good, the bad, the ugly.
Na me be ugly. What do you mean?
Okay,
My people when they
everybody
are
know
Saturday, Johnny, welcome to now Bonga Show. Na Bobos Yan on top of Zobia TV. Hey up, I see the damn Bobos Yan. If you don't lift your calabash, we'll throw you out of this bar.
Shakara don't hide.
Charab, yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Lift in Calabash again.
What's wrong with you? Yes, we don't come again on as usual. This one at the show, they carry on tutorial and giving our audio get since we concern Bobos them. For Ninja
and babies too.
And babies too, yes. Babies.
Sexist now.
We give you people what you need to know about we and
Of course.
let us leave it at that. Today, I sit there with my regular men them for a house. I get Shakara.
Live and direct. Who go one mama?
And I'm
I
get
get
Shoma.
They feel fly, man. Just
Bad
they
guy.
just they feel this hood, man. Just they feel like
Bad guy.
Arab, yeah.
Yes, what we carry on giving out today. Yeah, it's fake.
I
like him. We just want to tell you now, sharply. Say which one you feel cope with if your partner they do. Say they drink, I be they smoke.
Chai.
Which one you feel cope with if your partner they do? Drinking or smoking? No matter we can concern you now today with that. I know be only us go talk this matter. You self, you get opportunity to follow us talk regularly as you do every time. Our social media portals they run through your screen. People, we enter street, we ask them which one they feel cope with. This one I go on the street for Bobos here. Not go anywhere. No move.
Smoke or drink, I don't feel cope with anyone. No one. If worst come to the worst, if I feel cope with, I'll cope with drinking.
Why?
Because everybody know now, drink when you don't drink, you don't get tipsy. You understand? We can boogie down very well. Now my reason. Yeah, but I know if you cope with anyone. But if you come to the worst, I'll cope with drinking.
I know if you there with too much, people say if you drink finish, you just go to misbehave outside now, But at least with smoke, you can just smoke outside, smoke like a couple of stick of cigarettes. She just behave herself and come back home. At least I'll manage that one.
I cope with if she smokes better than drinking.
The both of them look dirty, but at least smoke there a little bit sexy.
According to federal government, smoking are liable to die young. So as a person, I don't like smoking.
CC opinion for Bobos Yan. Not go anywhere. We see them inside this bar. We are getting plem.
All the girls will deny.
Plem.
I prefer drinking.
None. Drinking go better for you.
Drink. I don't like smoke because I hate even the smell.
I can't cope with anyone.
Most guys don't drink now, so I can still cope with that than smoking.
I prefer the drinking because most guys do drink.
I drink sometimes too, and besides, the smoking is not good for my health. I can't be with someone who smokes and it has to affect my health.
Oh, yeah. When I see what most of our sisters they be talk, a lot of them
go agree.
A lot of them talk, say they don't fit.
They don't agree. You know why? Because that drink, I believe say na be the ultimate. We be say person supposed to run from. You don't believe say somebody carry motor, drive from all the way from Orile, come back, we don't drink, finish. He enter Camry, make they go house. You know, so when you drink, peace go they worry you. He come down make a peace. Where the peace? He hear Molue, they shout Orile, he jump, go enter Molue. Leave Camry where he carry.
and economically, I put it to you, say smoking, they cheaper. for a guy's point of view. Than imagine say you all go get
But
babe when I champagne and she dey drink
smoking
steady.
dey quick kill.
You go finish your money.
Cheap article na dey.
Cheap article dey quick
I never
kill.
even reason like that. Say smoking na dey
I dey
cheaper.
look am
Dey
say,
cheap
see,
na.
but wait, let's face the facts. Let's not even leave am. Leave these killing things, the health, the medical side of it. It's none of our business. Make doctors they take care of that one. Wetin we dey talk for this bar now? Now say which one we fit cope with, and I believe say you showman as you dey, so if you cope with woman wey sabi drink and sabi smoke.
I don't like the fact say no. I can cope with anybody because I'm a very, very receptive, open man. I allow anybody come into my life.
I like it when you speak English.
Yes, but you see what I try. More dey realistic. Now bar we dey. Now here we dey show you. Normally when you enter bar, which kind baby they like?
But now, we know. We try to tell people
why you don't smile on one side now again?
No, you know
when
why?
you enter bar, when you see babe where they blaze. Hi! Now Shakara go with
no be all.
No be all.
Some they fear me. Someone I could have made that kind of happen to me before. No problem. No be say I go pull mouth for Bobina smoke. You don't say that day as I pull mouth. You don't say as I pull mouth. I say.
But you know say research don't show. Say now ladies where they smoke, now they get the nicest aroma down there.
Showman, where you dey get all this research from? Because I don't understand where you dey carry this
research
all come from.
Check this thing now.
Prove that which research from where? For
Kwekus. Where they smoke, they Kwekus become
the refresh.
You also
so cigar don't turn to air freshener.
Yes.
They refresh Kwekus.
You know say cigarette is smoke, smell, they chase witches.
Try.
I don't want to tell now all these things now. No, they say you don't know. I get babes when they come, they just come make they don't like the house.
Before showman go scatter my head with all these in principles here, they do research, make research. Please, my young man, do you understand the research that is going on?
That it was interesting. I wanted him to throw more light.
Because I don't understand the research, but how can you animate you refresh beneath?
My brother, there's something
I don't
about
get it.
See, it don't be like say maybe they cook food with gas and they use firewood. The smell of firewood food better pass the one for gas.
No, now the taste, not the smell.
No, the taste.
Take five.
The taste.
You go still tell me small after we come on here. You all give me the loader. More people go if you don't understand.
What do you understand?
We are telling me. We are going deep underground.
No, you people are going underground.
Ugo,
I don't
girl listening there. When no say today, you know, say there's a difference.
Yeah, so that's why because me I like make that speckles they get small.
Please, my people out there, before this smell will turn me to something else that is not visible and not palatable. We are going into war, don't spoil.
It don't spoil, nothing spoil.
Where maybe go. Don't go anywhere. It is still Bobos and with the catch cruise for the bar. Welcome back.
Yeah, why you they drop the tempo of the spirit?
I don't drop tempo, I don't drop spirit. Waiting I see now.
I mean the word don't spoil, don't affect you.
My brother.
They don't do you well.
My brother. How you go see old full-fledged man like that? And small pikin they disrespect them. Come on.
No, waiting the old man find good there.
Yes.
Understand?
They say person, I don't know my people will put that for one. They say person wey no one make dog tear in clothes, no go play with dog.
Now the same thing, I was happy because say wasa the yara corner the new one.
Yo, wow.
Instead of me follow small children go play, better me sleep with empty belly.
Now why? And this same thing where we talk about what don't spoil, where they see how all these young girls they take command men. You see all these men, you say if you senior the girl. Or you want to go talk to that man now, the way you go dey very humble, not going to look you like, sorry, can I help you? But the girl, you come. Shakara will just stupid.
Even my age people, they talk. We talk
of those
very use your name as example.
You understand?
Say, but you don't hold now.
Chief Tyson man, we say, small girl who don't hold.
You never.
Now, you want me to mention my friends to you? Let me mention my friends so that you know my age range now. Whiskey, Davido, Brimo, Shantizu, those are my guys, Bonaboy. Those are my friends.
But wait,
But you know,
see, this matter now something where we say we supposed even look into. May we really let old men understand the fact. Say, if you don't reach the age of 70, leave our 20-year-old girls alone.
you don't know, say now waiting they make these girls
Leave
go
our
they send us.
20-year-old girls
I
alone.
You know,
tell
sitting
What is
back
wrong
in
with you?
WC.
Leave them alone. Let them come to boys like us. Let them come to people like us.
Ugo, small girl go dey give old man command. Someone they don't enter room, you go to see the small girl say, come on, baby, hada. You know hada.
See when I don't carry the matter.
But no, it depends us because I don't see how girls know they to send prospective gentlemen like us because
Upcoming
big men. But because you see small girl, because of this men not spoiling. Now why we Banky singer now for that song where he sing Jazzy or Henna Jazzy. With all waiting Banky still get swag. He still hold it small oh boy. When that man they open the briefcase. The boy that's what they get
They don't respect. I don't see one of my guys. No be say too though. My colleague will work together. Tunde Raj. What the guy just be like small girl. Come on. Himself we can. Oh baby.
So you want to tell me that as Tunde Raj days so that small girl they knock her for head.
I tell you.
Oh,
the girl wear school uniform. Where would they talk? As he knock her, see what you do. Say, baby.
There's always a small girl that will have a man.
I beg, we dey beg you in there. Leave our future wives alone.
Now you know that one.
Let them attend to us. Tunde Raji, leave them alone for us. You are too old. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? For you. But man, the main matter.
Don't be smarting.
I enjoy myself for this.
No. We do alright.
I just we say this bar no go close. Whether they like chase us until they sweep this floor. Say more, come on now we feel.
You know that.
No, you know what I go do one day? What they call this bar now? Bullion van I will carry come. I go see who go say don't close.
It's not close.
We go make us come out for the bar.
Yeah.
You don't understand. But at this level now, they don't want sweep, and we got to move ahead. Who you feel cope with?
Okay, who I feel cope with?
Drinking, smoking.
Okay. Smoking, yeah. Because
your partner, if you smoke, you can cope with it.
I feel cope because
that means you like the research
because
of
the guy, your wife go drink the stagger, come back, stagger enter landlord house, landlord.
So you like that showman research?
I like that showman.
When you finish the research later.
Yeah.
Showman, which one you feel cope with?
I say biblical and scriptural man that I am. If you know like Uzziah in the Bible where they can't give him that. I shall say God say me go marry that shall you know feel reject. That's why there anybody way come my way, you understand? I can take it and help the ministry because I am a changer.
A young man.
Let us hear what are you changing? What are you changing?
That I can change.
Yes, now so we go carry and take the conquest. I'm not going to tell you my own today. Follow us talk on top social media. Those of you who follow us talk there, you go hear my own for them. Now they go drop on top that place. We don't live now. We don't live now. Again, our producer K Black, we hail you. Ani Baba, we give you hand for them.
You know go choose who you like for this show.
Yeah. Good night.
You don't go choose.
Good night.